How to connect Wix Studio to GitHub. So in order to connect your Wix Studio to GitHub, we need to head over right here into our actual editor. Then click on this code option right here, and then from in there you can see your developer tools. So click onto this GitHub option and then click onto this connect GitHub option that we can see right here. Now in here we have some precautions. So once you're connected, you'll only be able to edit code in your local IDE. Click onto this continue option and then just click onto this sign in. And then after that, it will open right here a new window that will prompt you to log into your GitHub. So head over and then log in into your GitHub account. So once you have successfully signed in, you should now be able to connect your Wix Studio to GitHub, and those two will now be connected to each other. So in that way, you can just create a repository and install application based on the GitHub that's been added to you. So that's how you connect Wix Studio to GitHub. Hope we helped.